All right, another useful word that people may use. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have İDMAN ZALI. İDMAN ZALI. İDMAN ZALI is a gym or sports hall or any fitness center. Okay, let's use it in some phrases. Let's see the translation, work on those, and then some sentences. To hit the gym, İDMAN ZALIna getmək. Simple. Or you want to be more clear, to go to the gym, İDMAN ZALIna getmək. Same thing. In the sports hall or gym, İDMAN ZALInda. You see, I'll explain later. Just a second. To join a fitness center, to join meaning you sign up. İDMAN ZALIna yazılmaq. Yazılmaq, that's to sign up. Now, usually the suffixes are a, da, de. You see what's happening there? We added n because İDMAN ZALI, it ends with vowel sound. That's why you don't add another vowel to the end of the vowel. You have to join them somehow. So in this case, n sound, n consonant is used to join them. That's why you see it. Otherwise, the suffix itself is a and da. Cool beans? Some grammar tips. Now sentences. Hər səhər işə getməzdən əvvəl İdman zalına gedirəm ki, gün ərzində özümü daha enerjili hiss edim. Let's see. Every morning before going to work, I go to the gym so that I feel more energetic throughout the day. Hər səhər, every morning, işə getməzdən əvvəl, before going to work, İdman zalına gedirəm, I go to the gym ki, so that, gün ərzində, throughout the day, özümü daha enerjili hiss edim. I feel more energetic. Okay? Hər səhər işə getməzdən əvvəl idman zalına gedirəm ki, gün ərzində özümü daha enerjili hiss edim. That was first sentence. Let's see another one. Yağışlı havada məşqi küçədə yox, daha rahat olduğuna görə idman zalında keçirməyi üstün tuturam. Let's see. On rainy days, I prefer to do the workout in the gym rather than outside because it's more comfortable, obviously. Yağışlı havada, on rainy days, məşqi küçədə yox, I prefer to do the workout not outside. That's like, the reason I'm saying not outside, because we are translating part of the sentence, right? Not the whole sentence. But when you put it into whole sentence, you say in the gym rather than outside. Now, daha rahat olduğuna görə, because it's more comfortable, İdman zalında keçirməyi üstün tuturam. I prefer to do the workout in the gym. Let's bring it back again. Yağışlı havada, məşqi küçədə yox, daha rahat olduğuna görə İdman zalında keçirməyi üstün tuturam. On rainy days, I prefer to do the workout in the gym rather than outside because it's more comfortable. Cool beans? Today's word is İDMAN ZALI. How else we can use it? That joke uses, of course. I swear I only go to İDMAN ZALI when my sofa starts judging me. All right, İDMAN ZALI was today's word. Otherwise, if you are interested in learning Azerbaijani step by step, there is Master Azerbaijani app that is available in App Store and Google Store, where Module 1 is completely free and will give you foundation that you would need to build the language habits with confidence. Same goes for MasterAzerbaiJani.com. This is where, for deeper grammar, pronunciation, culture, history, and even learning tips, I post blogs there every 10 days. That's worth checking. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.